In this video, I'll show you how to make a resume in Word with Template. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Click Create with Template. In the search box, type Resume. Press Enter. Browse the available resume templates. Choose the template you like. Wait for the template to open. Replace the sample text with your own information. Add your name and contact details. Update your professional summary. Enter your work experience. Add your education and skills. Review your resume for any mistakes. If you want to share your resume, click Download in the top right corner. Open File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder. Your resume is now saved on your computer. That's it. This is how you can make a resume in Microsoft Word using a template. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.